So, hi everybody, I'm Apurva. Like I mentioned, I work for Brambles as a senior computer vision engineer as part of the R&D group here. Now, when you hear Brambles, I'm sure many of you have never heard of the company before, but the chances are that many of the household items in your house on their way to your home did travel on one of our assets, which is the pallets, crates, and containers. So Brambles is a supply chain logistics solution company. We operate through 60 plus countries, through 750 plus service centers. We primarily operate through the brand name CHEP, and we have roughly 350 million-ish pallets, crates, and containers. Now, that's a big number, so when you have to manage those many assets, it can be really difficult. If you do not track your assets, they can be misused or reused without authorization. What this leads is in excessive consumption of natural resources and added cost for us as well as our customers. Brambles is very much committed to achieving sustainability goals, and having this kind of asset tracking helps us with achieving our productivity and sustainability goals. Now, where embedded vision comes in for us is through the asset tracking. So the way we do asset tracking is we try to uniquely identify each pallet by having some kind of unique signature on it. So what we do is we serialize our pallet pool with these unique identities. And our current implementation is to use these QR codes on the pallets in order to track where the pallet is. Although this is our current implementation, we remain technologically agnostic. We try to experiment with all different kinds of tools and techniques in order to ensure that we stay most updated. Now, when you have to build a system like that, what you need is really high quality data for tracking. And in order to track that kind of data, we use these kind of embedded vision system, and that's where vision comes into play for us, that we have these cameras pointing at so this is the picture that you see. This is from one of our warehouse where we have these QR codes on our pallets that we use for tracking.